Hi, this is Salsa Video Productions, and I'm your host, John. Today, in episode number 164, we're going to teach you how to use pre-made stucco. Now, the first thing you want to do is leave the lid off and let it dry out a little bit, because this has a tendency to run when it's brand new fresh. So this has been sitting a while, and it's just about the right consistency. Now this is the kind of the messy part of the job, because you've got to fill in the little cracks and crevices before you do any kind of a final patch, and that just takes good old-fashioned handiwork where you force it in. And you notice there's a mesh backing behind there to hold on to this stuff. If I hadn't waited 15 minutes for this to dry out a little bit, this would just fall right out of the hole. See how well that packs in there? That's the first patch. We'll let that dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes. Reckon we're ready for coat 2. You can tell by the cracks, the drying cracks. So you basically just kind of fill those in. And the last coat will be texture. Seal up any weather areas where water can get in, because this will be painted later. We'll give that a few minutes and we'll put a coat of texture on it. Final coat. It's not going to be perfect, folks, and you want it roughed up like the rest of this texture. So you just rough it up a little bit. Now you throw a little paint on there, and you'll never know the difference. Thanks for watching this episode of How to Patch Stucco. Thanks and have a great day.